The brain is a fantastic machine, but it makes mistakes. And there are people out there who take advantage of this, not only with so-called fake news, but also in ways less easy to see. And this spoils communication and our thinking. But the good news is that these mistakes are systematic and can be recognized. I'm a science writer. For years, I've been trying to inform people about things like climate and technology. But the problem today is not lack of information. It's about how we think. Therefore, I've been trying to categorize the mistakes we make when thinking. I've been making a guidebook for brain traps. Some of these brain traps have been with us since the Stone Age, in the shortcuts our brain make when we try to solve problems. They are called biases. One example is our tendency to seek the information that confirms our beliefs, confirmation biases. But there are other kinds of mistakes, from faulty use of thought technologies. For instance, language, which makes it easier to communicate and to think, but also makes it easier to cheat others. There is logic, the rules of argument invented by the Greeks, and used in courts, in sciences, in discussions. But also logic can be misused. The same goes for numbers, which has made the modern world possible. But it's very easy to be cheated by numbers, especially big numbers. Today, many of our difficulties arise because systems are interfering with each other in unexpected ways. We call them black swans, like 9/11 or the corona pandemic. And there are many others awaiting, because we don't really understand complex systems, like the economy, like climate. And the media, which should inform us, often make our mistakes bigger by amplifying the brain biases. But we can learn to recognize the kind of traps we may fall into. And that's why I've written this guidebook about the dangerous territory you meet every time you try to use your brain.